Hey there! If you're looking to change your Samsung phone's digital assistant on swipe gestures from the default Google Assistant to Bixby or another assistant app, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the process. Let's dive in. First, go to your phone settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the display option and tap on it. Scroll down again until you find the navigation bar and tap on that. And tap on that. Then, select the option for swipe gesture. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Next, tap on the default digital assistant app. Here, you will see the different assistant app options available. The default is currently set to Google, but you can change it by selecting another app like Bixby Voice. Once you have made your selection, tap OK to confirm. Now, head back to your home screen. Try swiping from the left or right corner, and you should see the Bixby Voice app open. And that's it! You have successfully switched your digital assistant on swipe gestures from Google to your desired assistant app on your Samsung phone. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.